If you were to make your Tinder account today, what would you write in the bio? What was Mahesh's reaction when he watched the trailer of Hiccups and Hookups? If you have a doubt that your girlfriend is cheating on you, what is the easiest way to find the truth? Lara Datta were your real life sister. What would be the best thing about that? What is the relevance of the middle finger?
That's what I'm given.
आपकी ही डॉटर है मतलब सही.
My mom's like that.
मॉम ने बोला
आपकी ही डॉटर है मतलब.
Hi, my name is Shinova.
Hi, this is Lara Datta,
Hi, I'm Prateek Babbar.
and you're watching Bollywood Hangama.
We have a rapid fire.
All right.
It's
बाप रे,
it's going to be
जब
fun.
ये बॉक्सेस और कार्ड्स और सब निकालते हो ना, बड़ी घबराहट सी होती है.
नहीं, it's a very fine hangama speaker that's worth literally fighting for and having good fun.
Oh,
All right, so the idea is that you guys आप enjoy करिए अपने आप को, and whoever is the one who's the maximum entertainer, so वो he wins that.
अच्छा,
he or she wins
okay.
that. Let's start with Lara Datta. So now she will set the bar.
Okay.
You know, then you guys have to.
She does.
She always
She
does.
always does anyway.
She always does.
It's
Guys, there are things like off days, you know, those do exist.
No, I don't think so. I don't think so.
I doubt it.
All right, so rapid fire with Lara Datta. If you were to make your Tinder account today, what would you write in the bio?
What would we discussed this yesterday, right? What would I write in the bio? No, y'all came up with some very bad, very boring things.
We
Okay.
did wilder, coolest, something.
No, what did you say?
I said she doesn't need a body.
She doesn't need a man. She doesn't need a man. Yeah, that's what she said.
I'd say swipe at your own risk.
At your own risk. That's a good one.
Awesome.
All right, what was Mahesh's reaction when he watched the trailer of Hiccups and Hookups?
That's Mahesh's reaction to pretty much most things, if you know him. Yeah, it was. So that could mean anything, right? It could mean, or it could mean,
At what age did you go on your first date?
At what age did I go on my first 16? First proper, unaccompanied, unchaperoned date.
All right. ऐसी कौन सी इंटरेस्टिंग चीजें हैं जो आधे घंटे में हो सकती हैं?
बहुत सारी चीजें हैं.
Right.
आप मैगी पका के खा सकते हो.
तो 2 मिनट हो गए.
या पर आधा घंटा ना आराम से पका के खाएंगे. आप हिकअप्स और हुकअप्स के एपिसोड को देख सकते हो.
Yes.
आप बहुत सारी चीजें हैं.
All right, there's a dialogue in the trailer. अब पता चला casual sex is like. So like what?
Like
What's the weirdest myth you've heard about sex?
myth I've heard about sex. That unless you sound like Meg Ryan in whatever when Harry met Sally, where you're going yes, that you haven't had an orgasm.
Really?
Right, okay. All right.
That's a myth.
What's something you really wanted to try once but couldn't?
Something that I really wanted to try once but couldn't go into space. I haven't been able to try it yet.
Right. What is something you miss the most about the time when you were single?
Me time.
Me time? Okay. Now you're
Yeah, because I don't have it anymore now.
Of course.
It's a myth.
Of course. Quality of Vasu in Hiccups and Hookups you wish you two had?
Her very innocent curiosity. Unfortunately, अभी जिंदगी में बहुत कुछ experience कर लिया, बहुत कुछ देख लिया. तो Vasu isn't like that. Vasu is still has a very innocent, vulnerable curiosity.
What is something most of the girls and boys do but they don't accept it?
I know one, but
What?
it's not just boys. I mean, everybody does it. I can't say it right now. I'll say it off camera. For you, it's bathroom manners. It's a little bit about
What,
not really manners, but
Flatulence.
no.
Off air
But
in
can I just
public.
say it? Should I just say it? It's a bit gross, but should I just say it?
What?
Say it.
Now I want to know.
Yeah.
There's not one person in this universe you will find who will not turn around and look back and after you finished your job. ऐसा कोई आदमी नहीं होगा कि वापस देखेगा नहीं. सब देखते हैं by default. सब जाके खत्म होकर देखते हैं फिर फ्लश करते हैं. I'm like that's something you know.
I am so used to checking. I've been checking poop since the day my daughter was born. What color, consistency,
Yeah, that's what.
smell.
That's why it is
Right.
for. Yeah.
All right. What is the first thing that comes to your mind when I say the following? What is the first thing that
Yes.
comes to your mind when I say the following? One night stands.
Turn them on. A light stand, right? That's what we're talking about.
Dating apps.
Cool.
Would you say that size is an overrated term?
Yes.
Size?
Have you ever hit a boy between two legs?
Yes.
Ouch.
Have you ever kissed a girl?
On the show, yes.
Right. So we'll have to move on to Pratik Babbar and let's see and how he fares. So
Yes, sir.
rapid fire with Pratik.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
If you were to launch your own dating app, what would be its speciality?
I guess it would be dating app की speciality क्या हो सकती है? Age doesn't matter.
Ooh.
All
Nice.
age groups. No, not all. Sorry.
Why?
No.
Age is just
Bachche-
enough.
underage.
Age is,
Bachche, not underage.
Age is
Not
just enough.
underage.
18 plus could go on till 100.
But isn't that already there?
No, I don't think so.
I don't
There aren't
know.
those many.
I actually.
I want to see how.
Or then have a system where you can check if people are lying about their age.
I think
about,
after-
about being underage.
I think
hardly
after-
they lie
I
about
think-
age. They lie about everything
Marriage
else.
doesn't
Maybe like what if someone underage wants to
I
make
think
a
after
profile?
this interview, I think you'll get some offers.
Arre,
Being the brand ambassador. Okay.
that's
Have you
very
ever
bad.
had an occasional girlfriend?
Not a serious one, you mean?
Yeah.
Yes, I have.
All right. Family, love, relationships. ये सब बकवास है यार. Have you ever felt like this in real life as well?
Yes, I have.
So he's doing well.
Yeah, he's doing well.
He is
Such
doing
an honest, earnest
yeah,
boy है
he is doing well.
मैं bow पहना दूँ?
जी. If you have a doubt that your girlfriend is cheating on you, what is the easiest way to find the truth?
I have tried, but it's never worked, so I don't know. I think it would be just ask her, I guess. Just be honest. Be like, hey, listen, I think something's going on. Can you be honest?
All right.
Very
if,
boring answer. but-
Yeah, how has that worked out for you, Pratik?
if Lara Datta were your real life sister, what would be the best thing about that?
Everything. I would ask her to introduce me to all her gorgeous friends and put in a word to all her gorgeous friends. Yeah, let them know that I'm available. Yeah,
Okay. What is the
take
most?
take her money, save mine.
All right. What is the most annoying thing about shooting for intimate scenes?
I think.
Not being able to eat lunch on the day that you're shooting.
Yeah. Oh, yes.
Yes.
Yes. Being on a diet for weeks before and
Weeks
killing
and all
yourself.
that happened, but not being able to eat lunch on the day you're shooting because then you don't know what is in
नहीं,
the
नहीं,
food.
मेरा
If
तो
it's like
weeks-
प्याज है या garlic है, then you don't want to be stinky, and you're hoping that your co-actor is also not eating
the same.
lunch.
Yeah.
Acha, okay. That's interesting. It starts with F and ends with K. It's a 4-letter word. And in
Fork.
absence,
Fork.
he's got it.
I got it.
He's
And I was
doing
about to
so
say the other
well.
one. I was about to say the other one, Faridun.
He is doing
So I'm
so
like, hang on,
well.
this is
No, so let me complete it. And in absence of this, you can use your hands. What is that? So you've got it. You've got it. If you wake up next to an unknown girl, what would be the worst thing to hear from her?
शादी कब कर रहे हैं?
No, the worst thing would be if you woke up with her in Vegas and the shadi had
Already been
happened.
done.
All right. React to following in one word. Hookups.
Fun.
Casual sex.
Fun. Can I use the same word? Oh, I have to change the word. Casual sex, let's change the word. Exciting?
Social media trials.
Please elaborate. Social media trials as in...
Like when you're judged and whatever it is that you're...
So it's all on...
No, that social media judges everybody on there.
Yes.
Actually passes a verdict even before.
I mean, it upsets me. It does upset me, but it's, I mean,
Pardon
it
me.
is what it is. Absolutely. It does exist. People have an opinion. We can't do anything about it. We have to accept.
Have you ever had a one-night stand?
Yes.
Lara, I'm sorry, but he's doing really well.
I'm happy. I want him to get this speaker.
Okay. Have you ever been cheated on in a relationship?
Yes.
My God. Have you ever kissed a girl whose name you didn't know?
I don't.
The fact that he's thinking about it.
Maybe he
I
was.
don't
Probably
think
be a
so.
yes.
I don't think so.
But that's honest. He thought about it. He gave that. That is. But I think you've done really well. Well, let's see how Shinova
Good luck.
fairs,
Shiva.
and you have a tall order to fare, but just enjoy yourself. Okay, why Instagram is cooler than Facebook?
When I'm a Facebook person, okay. I think it's because of the reels and the whole.
I love the. I love that.
Yeah, I guess.
It's all about the.
I think Facebook is still cool.
Okay, when you meet any hot guy, what do you mostly notice about him?
She's blushing. She doesn't want to say it.
No, I do.
Just say it, Shiva. It's fine.
I think lips. Yeah.
Lips.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's interesting. A rumor about sex you wish was true.
That you wish was true.
I wish was true that all the girls orgasm. I don't think so. They do.
Even she is doing well.
Yeah.
Your most favorite cuss word?
Can I just say it? My mom would kill me. That's what it is. My mom would kill me, but Mama, sorry. I can say.
No.
Then you said it.
You said whatever you need to. अभी बस बेटा और मत बोलना. बस रुक जा.
What is something girls love about boys nowadays, but you find it weird?
Love about boys. I don't.
Well groomed.
Well groomed तो is good, yeah. What?
तो weird नहीं है. नहीं weird तो नहीं है.
What? I don't know. I don't know. Like the loose pants.
ठीक है, we'll move on. Okay.
Yeah.
What is
Move
something you've tried that you'll never ever try again?
I'm curious to know what this is.
It can be anything.
I'm on camera.
It doesn't have to be anything sexual.
Yeah, no, it's
be
not
anything.
sexual.
It could be
Sexual
it
is
could be
not in
bad-
my mind.
It could be a bad habit.
Bad habit. Oh God, I suck
Something
it.
that you
What is it?
tried that you
Something
won't
that
try.
I have
It could be any
tried that I
drink or
wouldn't try. Any. Yeah. Alcohol. I don't think I'm an alcohol person. Like vodka.
Okay.
Vodka
Me too.
makes me vomit.
What is something about boys that can be a major turn off for girls?
Bad breath.
Bad breath. All right. Okay. What is the relevance of the middle finger?
Relevance.
Yeah.
It's just. I mean, mine is quite famous in the show, so it is relevant then the show. In the show.
All right. What is the stupidest reason you have given while rejecting a love proposition?
Stupidest reason I have
Someone's
given.
asked you out and you've said no. What was your stupidest reason you said no?
My mom's saying that I can't be with you. That's what I have given.
आपकी ही daughter है मतलब सही.
My mom's saying that.
Mom ने बोला.
आपकी ही daughter है मतलब. If you were on Tinder, what would be your bio like?
Kunal told me that like I could put a mirchi sign. So like a chili.
What is the naughtiest pickup line someone has used on you?
That are your parents from Al Qaeda because they created a bomb. That is not naughty. But
It's not at all. It's quite terrorizing to be honest.
Okay. What one question you'd never want your boyfriend to ask you?
Help me out. Help me out. Arey, help me out.
Something
I
about
don't know.
something. It's actually.
Where are you going? Who are you going with? All of that.
Do you think porn should be banned?
No, I don't think so.
Okay. Have you ever broken someone's heart?
Yeah.
A few, I'm sure.
Have you ever slapped a boy for real?
Yeah, I mean, yeah. My brother probably.
नहीं, guy as in
boy,
like a
yeah,
guy.
kind of.
Kind of slapped him?
Yeah.
मतलब
Like,
आधा
what do you
slap.
mean?
मतलब full force का नहीं.
You know, I must say that it has been one of the most closely fought rapid fire ever.
No,
Honestly
I
speaking.
sucked at it. They were
I
great.
think it's her. I think it's her.
No, I think you were very
I
good
think
as
my
well.
mom might kill me.
I would give it to him for sheer honesty.
Honesty.
Like,
Very.
he was like thinking. He
Right.
was just fooling around. He
Right.
was like really thinking of his
Yeah,
answers.
objectively अगर आप मेरा assessment पूछें, for the sheer consistency,
हाँ जी.
I think Miss Universe.
Definitely.
yes.
For the sheer
Definitely, she was-
consistency.
Yes.
For the
And
sheer
you were like-
And mute is
consistency.
correct.
So for the sheer
Yeah.
consistency and
She wins.
बहुत ही deserving आप winner हैं and it's been a like very close fight, honestly speaking.
ये जाएगा Rao House.
Household में
This is
जाएगा
हम लोग
ये.
ऐसे, yeah.
और
This
इसके
is
साथ
yours.
हम rowdy होएंगे.
No, it's a really cool speaker. I think
It's
you guys
awesome,
will like it. Yeah.
Hi, my name is Shinova.
Hi, this is Lara Datta,
Hi, I'm Prateek Babbar.
and you're watching Bollywood Hungama.